Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get started with artwork. Today we will try some basic finite field algorithm and let's see how we can do some basic math with artwork library. First we will need to install some stuff. We will work with Rust mostly. So you will need to install Rust. If you're new to Rust, and you can take a look in the Rust book and Cargo as well. Cargo is like NVM for no NPM for Node.js. It's like a package management to help you work with Rust, and we will use Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code for the programming in here. In here you can see we can open the terminal. If you are on Windows, you can install WSL2 and set up your Ubuntu system, or if you're on Mac or Ubuntu, it should be easy to find. We will start by install some of the command line. First, we choose first one. Let's just wait for a few minutes for Rust to get installed. Okay, so we need to install Cargo as well, and we can copy paste it from the command line of the Cargo documentation. We pick one. So now we'll make a new directory called sandbox. cd into sandbox. So we want to cargo new artwork again. Ah, right. Yeah. Now we can open now Visual Studio Code with this code dot. Alright, we got our Visual Studio Code, and I will show you my extension on Rust development. We will need some of the stuff for to begin, like Rust Analyzer, and just check the Rust Analyzer from the Rust programming language. That's what we need. And I also use a theme for Retier to help with the formatting, and rainbow bracket. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So that's You maybe don't need the other styling extension, but just like the Rust analyzer is also enough. And here's the default of the workspace of Rust. So we can try to run, and then it will got hello world. So which means is everything is good. We will need to add some more extension dependency. The first one we will need to add is the arc underscore ff. The second one is arc underscore bls12 underscore 381, and also arc underscore std. So you see we got all the extension in here. I think we also need to add a run. Yeah, that's good. The Now you can, one cool thing about Rust is that for the Rust analyzer they help you to switch your version if you want to change the version. Yeah, you can just click it. So it's very useful. Okay. Now what I want to do now in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to do some basic basic view math. And we'll use ff view. We will take the view here, and we also need the this library. Right now we don't really need to understand like how it works yet. I will make more video and we'll go more detail later. So, but let's use yeah, that's all we need for now. Let's delete the hello world. Let's declare a mutable variable. So in Rust, if you want to have a variable that have the ability to change, then you need to set it like a mutable. Yeah. But if you set it like this, then the variable will be, you cannot change it. You cannot change the value inside the variable. All right, we want to create a random thread ing. To do that, we will use the arc std user random size. Yeah. And now we will create like a two field with A and B. So this is how you create a field inside with the artwork. And let's create another one. Yeah, you can see here we create a random one. We can print it out to see like what the random here, like meaning this is how you print a variable inside. And to run this program, we can run cargo run. To open this terminal, there is like this. You can click over here. So this is a thread ing. It's just basically like a cell or something like that. But we don't need to understand it for our purpose here. So let's just like understand, like right now we need to understand like A and B is two field, and we just create two random field. So let's see like what A and B look like. We can have A here, and I want to have a different line for B. Okay, let's try and see. We can Control L to clean the terminal. Cargo run here. Is it to fill in the A and the B? And for the algebra math, basic math, we can do something like add, like A plus B equal, and we also can do subtract A minus B equal, and multiply. Okay, we can run and see how it go. So in here we got A, B, A plus B, A minus B, A multiply to B. You can check it by with the calculator is to see if it's correct or not. And now I want to, let's try out something else. Let's say we want to, now let's try out this formula, like to see if it's like if the artwork creates a field correct. We can do like this: A square minus B square equal to A plus B, and multiply to A minus B. So let's check to see if this gonna be correct or not. We can use assert equal here, and to get the square we can do like A dot square. Yeah. So minus b dot square, and if they are equal to a minus b, multiply to a plus b. And if it's correct, then the cargo run will show nothing, because this line only like make sure if it's true, then it should run correctly, and if it's false, then it will show you error. So the only thing we got is a warning, because we haven't used a one in here yet. And one more example I could show you for to use the artwork finite field is to do compute the inverse. So the inverse is like should be the finite field of 1, right? So the inverse should be something like this. And now we want to like see what the inverse look like. Yeah. And now to create an inverse, let's can do like a I dot first dot unwrap. We need the unwrap because the a could be 0, and multiply to a. Okay, let's see if we got it. Yeah. So this is a finite field of 1, and you can read and see return multiplication. You can read more about it in here if you just move your pointer. Okay, that's it all for today's video. I will make more to on artwork and how to do the ZK development with artwork. Thank you for watching, and please if we are making more video on ZK development on in Vietnam YouTube channel. So if you interested in something, if you have some question, if you want us to make the video for you, then please comment or like send us a message on Telegram. We will definitely try and give you a good explanation of how things work. Okay, see you in the next one.